Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So Aimogen got another huge feature update based on your suggestions once again. So it will be able to add many more rich content to the generated posts if you are using the topic based posting. So it will be able to add now table of contents, question and answer section, and also it will be able to add an outro section header text. So let me show you this in action. For this, let me create a quick rule. So let's give the rule a name, WordPress themes, and let's leave this a topic based posting and write a topic, WordPress themes in 2023. Okay, so now we will see that in the latest update of the plugin we have here article outro section text. Here we can write conclusions, for example, add an article table of contents, the title of the table of contents section, add article question and answer section, and the title of the QA section is Q&A. And we have here at the bottom part also article Q&A prompt. So this is also something new. You can write here a prompt to create your Q&A, which will be able to use also these shortcodes listed here. Also, you can select the model for the Q&A generator. So now let's save settings, visit our site, it's empty, and let's run importing now. And the plugin will go ahead, and if we check the activity and logging section, we will see that the plugin will call these prompts. So write a title, it will write a title for this topic. Also it will write sections, and if we keep on refreshing, we will see that write intro, write content of a post heading, and it will write content for each heading like this. And afterwards it will go and also write our Q&A section content and so on. So this is something new. The Q&A section will be able to be added also, and table of contents will be able to be added also to our newly published posts by the plugin. So keep in mind, this will be available only in the topic based and section based posting. If you select the title based posting, this will not be yet available. Also, if you check the use the above content prompt to create the entire article, then the table of contents will not be available. So the table of contents feature will not be available with this checked, only unchecked. So leave that unchecked if you want also a table of contents for your newly published article. So we have here our fourth topic now, and we will be heading into our Q&A section writing soon. So if you write this many content to your article, then posting might take a bit longer, as you can see. So now we have write a Q&A for the article about this title, and we will get soon our article published here on our site. So let's wait a bit more, and we will be able to check also the Q&A section and the table of contents section, which are the new features that were introduced in the latest update for the plugin. So excerpt is being written right now, and soon we should be seeing our post created. So one post created, the green check mark appeared, and if we refresh our site here, we have the table of contents, conclusions, Q&A. These are the sections. We have a Q&A, conclusions, and everything is ordered and tidy. So if we click also on the sections here, we will be able to jump to the sections we need to visit. Okay, so Aimogen is in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know. They are welcome. As you see, I work on updates based on the suggestions that I get from your part. And if you have more suggestions, they are welcome in the comments. So like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. It helps me go forward on my journey. And this is all for today. Until next time, bye bye.